Hey beautiful people, it's me NaturalieCydnie, and I am back once again with a natural hair tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this quick 30-minute protective style updo, then just keep watching. I'm starting off on a failed wash and go attempt, so my hair is freshly washed. I'm going to be putting a part on the left side of my hair and then adding another part about an inch below that. This section is going to be tied up in preparation for my perm rods. Next, I'm going to separate my hair down the middle, and it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. As you're going to see in a few, my section is horrible. Next, I'm going to just spray the section with some warm water just to loosen my curls up. Then I'm going to be separating that section in half again, very unevenly. And then I'm going to tie this section up until I'm ready to work on it. Lastly, I'm going to make one more separation just to begin my flat twist. So in preparation for my flat twist, I'm going to spray it with some warm water. Then I'm going to be spraying my Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner by Creme of Nature. I'm going to follow up with the Creme of Nature Twist and Curl Pudding. Next, I'm going to detangle my hair just to make sure I have all the kinks out. You want your hair to be very smooth. And I'm going to begin my flat twist. Once I get to the bottom of my flat twist, I do re-moisturize and detangle my ends just to make sure that I don't have any knots or tangles in them. I'm going to be using this same method for my entire head. Until I get to the front, I will add some gel to my edges just to lay them down, but other than that, everything's going to be the exact same. So once all of my twists are completed, I will be adding perm rods to the front part of my hair. Just to save some time, I did decide to spray the entire section with water, add my Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner and pudding just to save some time. For my perm rods, I did start off at the very end, as you guys are going to see. Oh, and I did use the white perm rods. I'm not sure what length or size this is. I'm not really good with the sizes, but it's the white perm rods. I'm going to just split that section in half, and to do my perm rods, I'm going to start by detangling that section and then apply the perm rod to the very end of that section. I'm going to just curl it up about 3 to 4 times, and then I'm going to start to twirl the perm rod around that section of hair just to give it an elongated curl type of effect. perm rods in my hair. You can use as many as you would like. Just a quick glance at my hair. It's still pretty damp right now. I'm going to show you guys the final style I decided to do in the morning time. But I am going to be prepping my hair for bedtime. So I did add some oil off camera to my scalp. And then I'm going to take my satin scarf and just wrap it around just so that my hair won't have any friction with my cotton pillowcase. And I will see you all in the morning. And you guys, it's the next morning. It's actually 5 a.m. in the freaking morning. I'm very tired, you guys, by the way. But I'm going to start off by unwrapping the perm rods from my hair. And once I get finished unwrapping the rods, you want to make sure that your rods are dry, because if they're not, your curls will begin to fall and get really frizzy and puffy, and it's just not going to be good. Next, I'm going to add some of my coconut oil that has melted to my hair. Just put a small amount just so I can tame the frizz during my separation process. And next, I'm going to just gently separate my hair. As I explained to you guys that have seen my previous videos, I'm not going to go into depth about how I separate. I pretty much just pull the hair apart where it naturally separates. I don't force it to separate because that does cause a lot of frizz. But as I'm separating the hair, I do twirl it around my finger just so that the ends of my hair can maintain that curl definition and that it doesn't get frizzed or anything like that. As I got to the front part or the top part, I did realize that my hair was a little damp, but because again it was 5 a.m. I really didn't feel like blow drying my hair, so I just gently pulled it apart, as you're going to see in a little bit. Separating my perm rods, so I did add a bobby pin in the front just to keep the hair away from my forehead because it does aggravate me. Now, as far as the back, you can do whatever updo you want to do. I just decided to twist each individual in within each other, interlock them within each other. And then once I get to the top, I did decide to just kind of swirl them around like in a flat bun type of thing, if you want to call it. I pretty much just did whatever I felt to do. It wasn't planned out or anything. Yeah, as you guys can see, use as many bobby pins as necessary. Keep your hair tied up. I think I used about 5 bobby pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think I used about 5 or so bobby pins. And then when I got to work, I had to use another bobby pin because one fell out. But that happens. So as a naturalist, you do have to have a bobby pin on you at all times. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the final look. Like I said, I just threw that little bun thing together, so nothing special. I am going to add some jewels to the side of my hair that you can see. I got these from the beauty supply store. You guys can get it from the beauty supply store. I think Walmart says Sally Beauty Supply. I don't really shop there, but hey, I believe any place sells these little jewels for like 99 cents. I just turn them, cuff them around a twist just to get a little spunkness. And again, added more bobby pins. And this is pretty much the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Please share this video to everyone that you know. And again, like and subscribe to my video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Peace.